This is a deleted version of Minecraft that you can no longer download from the App Store. It was on the App Store from 2011 to 2014, and I just so happen to be one of the lucky people that have downloaded this game while it was still on the App Store. However, you may have noticed that since 2017, all iOS versions since iOS 11 have been full 64-bit, which means that you can no longer download or use 32-bit apps. And that's where this iPhone 4S comes in. Immediately, looking at the title screen, you can tell it is significantly different than the final version of Minecraft Bedrock Edition. We're gonna hit Start Game, we're gonna hit Creative World. The layout of the controls is actually quite interesting, because the jump button is also infused with the moving buttons. There's actually a world border, as this was before Infinite Worlds were added to Bedrock Edition. Pressing the 3 dots on the bottom of the screen where the toolbar is, you can see there's not a lot of items to choose from, because the live version actually didn't really have many items at all. However, it has a really old gravel texture. Placing the blocks, you can see just how different it is from the current gravel texture. Alright, that's enough for creative. Let's head into survival mode and see what else is different. Straight away, you can see there's a pig jumping around in the water over there. I think this was before the update where pigs dropped meat, so they didn't drop anything. Taking a look at the menu again, as you can see, some blocks actually have an infinity symbol next to them, meaning you can't run out of them. Walking up to these sheep over here, you can tell that this was very different from the current textures of the sheep. And now it is nighttime, and it's time to see the mobs that'll be spawning soon. Going into the tool selection, I grabbed some torches and lit up the nearby area. While I was placing torches, there were some zombies that were coming up to me. It seems that zombies are the only thing that are inside this version of Minecraft. I built up a tower just to watch all the zombies come by. After I got bored of the tower, I jumped down and just saw a big swarm of zombies coming after me. After a while, I saw that the zombies were coming in all different directions, and I had no choice but just let them attack me. And that was Minecraft Pocket Edition Lite, a deleted version of Minecraft that you can no longer play.